magnificent tree. All of your gnarly bits. Look at this. You are a work of art. This is amazing. I love this. It's sad it's been uprooted, but look at this. My goodness. It's a gnarly, I think it's an oak tree. Look. Wow. It's got all these gnarly bits twisting up. Look at this. My goodness. Wow. How amazing is that? Look at it. Stupendous. Wow. Now what is that? Is that a vine or is that another bit of tree? Wow. Is it a vine that ate away at the tree and made it fall? Oh my goodness, check that out. That is amazing. Look at the pointy roots. Look at them. Wow, that is a work of art, isn't it? That is fantastic. How many years has that tree stood there before it fell? It almost looks like a creature on the end there. Look, a face with the mouth open. It's like a wolf or something. You see that black spot looks like the mouth, and that pointy bit looks like the ear, and the white bit looks like the mouth. That looks like a skull. Look at that, it looks a bit like a skull. Pointy chin. Wow. That is amazing. I love that. Even that looks a bit like a shark. Wow. What an incredible tree. I'm exploring. Wow. Just amazing.